Hi, and welcome to this 14th edition of Microsoft Monday. In this video, we'll explore the latest updates to Microsoft Teams for the month of June 2021. Now, in order to get started, let's mainly check for updates for both the Teams desktop client for both PC and Mac users by clicking on the ellipsis symbol located on the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click on the option that says Check for updates to install the latest software. The first new feature will be found under New Meeting Options. This will allow teachers to either disable or enable cameras for all attendees and students by clicking on the bar that says Yes to enable camera access or No to disable camera access for all attendees and students. Keep in mind also for new meeting options, these can be set either before the meeting is to occur, during, or after the meeting. The next new option will also be found under New Meeting Options, which will enable lobby bypass. Moving forward, Microsoft has now set the feature that guest users can only be allowed to bypass the lobby if allowed to do so by either the meeting organizer or by presenters. All other options remain the same, meaning only me or you as the teacher can bypass individual users, people within the organization, or allow everyone minus guest users to bypass the lobby. The next feature will be beneficial for Mac users in that anyone using Microsoft Teams for the online version or the web version can have the system video and sound sharing now available if you happen to be using the Safari browser, compatible up to version 14 and above. So if you happen to be using an older version of Safari, you have to upload the most recent version by going to your App Store in order to do so. And if you happen to be using the desktop version of Microsoft Teams for the Mac, when you are inside of the client, it will ask you to install a driver to share your sound. Now, if you happen to see this message, be sure to click on the purple install button. Once the installation has occurred, close Microsoft Teams and go back inside of it in order for the sound to be enabled inside of your desktop client. The next feature will be the ability for teachers to disable individual user cameras during an active session. So how this is done inside of your active window, you can right click any user at any time to either disable the camera. You can also do this through the participants list by clicking on the ellipsis symbol to disable the camera, or you can also re-enable the camera by following the same process at any given time. The last update will be for Whiteboard for Android users. So if you happen to be using a smartphone or a tablet, which is Android based, Whiteboard is now available for all Android users by going to your Play Store to download the newest updates for Whiteboard. So there you have it, folks. I hope that this latest update to Microsoft Teams will be beneficial. If you have any further questions, please reach out to the TELT team at any time. Thank you. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.